Hey, I'm Evan Collier, the founder of Arch Production and Design NYC. We're here in Somerset, Pennsylvania, finishing up our install at Tower of Voices for the Flight 93 Memorial for the National Park Service. Here at Arch, the project was led by myself, Evan Collier, and my assistant on this project manager, was Cale Bobby Hughes. We had Brendan Coyne, our shop foreman, working round the clock in the shop to bring this project to life, along with our machinist Charlie Cron. During the final stages of the chime fabrication, our whole team came together to finish the assemblies, do the factory acceptance testing, do the documentation, and package the chimes for delivery. This project couldn't have been made possible without the help of Henry Hatfield at Hatfield Metal Fabrication up in Dutchess County. The Hatfield team played an integral role in finishing the sail fabrication, which was beyond the capabilities at the Arch shop. The project was designed by the architect Paul Murdoch. The engineering company working on this project was Arup out of San Francisco. That team was led by a man named Ian Bruce. From the National Park Service Center in Denver working on this project, the project manager is Paul Rothgary, assisted by Shane Fries. The project leads were Darren Knapp and Curtis Ulmer at the National Park Service Denver Service Center. Our install team here in PA consists of Thomas Andrews, Travis Ridner, Cale Hughes, Nick Stefanica, Evan Collier, myself, Rico Algren, and Brendan Coyne, along with Alan Walker from the Parks Department as our POC. A lot of things come up for me being involved in such a public project. There's a certain amount of pressure that comes along with doing something when there's so many people watching. That is really rewarding. It's exactly what myself and my other team members at Arch have wanted to move towards, which is long-term, permanent, large-scale 3D art installations. This piece is designed to be inherently permanent from the get-go, as it has an infinite life cycle as part of the design component. The most challenging part of this project, I would say, was coordinating so many different people's expectations and understandings of how the project was supposed to come together, when it was supposed to come together, managing the timeline, managing people's expectations, managing the expectations of the architect, managing the expectations of the engineers and the wind consultant. And at the end of the day, our client, was the National Park Service. I want to give my thanks to the National Park Service for the opportunity to work on this great project. It's truly been an honor. And to the families of Flight 93, I hope that our work and our service has done justice to the loss of the lives which you've experienced with your family members on board the Flight 93. We got a lot of positive feedback and a lot of thanks and gratitude for us coming in and helping get this across the finish line. Yeah.
Awesome.